Stuck with an R11 file that nothing on your system recognizes? This extension could relate to several different applications without one definitive owner. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate these mystery R11 files. If you frequently deal with unusual R11 file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. R11 files are uncommon files that may be associated with various applications including AutoCAD Release, 11 drawing files, RAR multi-volume archives, split parts, or other specialized software outputs. Identifying the originating application is essential for proper handling of these ambiguously named file types. R1.1 file structure depends entirely on the originating application. AutoCAD R1.1 files use early DWG binary format, while RAR split archives use RAR container format with sequential numbering. Header analysis is required to determine which specific format any given R1.1 file actually contains. The R1.1 format was designed to be handled by WinRAR from RARLab. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows may detect the file, but only outdated or specialized programs can read it properly. The problem is often a missing file association. Right-click the R11 file and choose Open With. Start with WinRAR if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your R11 file is not opening yet, that is normal. We've isolated the failure to one of three common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, identifying the source. Determine the file origin by checking source documentation, email context, or related files in the same folder. R11 files alongside R00, R01, R02 suggest split RAR archives, while standalone files near DWG content indicate AutoCAD drawings. Context clues are essential for proper format identification. Next, trying as RAR var volume. If R11 appears to be part of a multi-volume RAR archive, use WinRAR or 7-zip to extract starting from the first volume, usually .rr or .r00. The archiver automatically processes subsequent volumes. All R11, R12, etc. files must be present in the same folder for successful extraction. Finally, trying as AutoCAD drawing. If the R11 file may be a vintage AutoCAD drawing, try opening an AutoCAD or DWG TrueView. Modern AutoCAD versions can open Release 11 drawings from 1990. Free DWG TrueView from Autodesk provides viewing capability without requiring a full AutoCAD license. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.